Hi, welcome to the second section of this 5G course. We'll be discussing about the 5G architecture in this particular section. There are certain different topics we are going to cover, starting with the traditional telecom network. We'll see how the telecom network looks like. I've taken some pictures from the field about how the cell site masks look like, so it'll give a better understanding. Then we'll talk about what are the different building blocks of 5G in terms of architecture and also in terms of new techniques which are embedded in 5G. We'll touch base upon that. Then we'll look into how the overall architecture is different for 5G as compared to the legacy technology. We are taking an example of 4G here. So that will give a brief idea. Whosoever is working in the legacy technology today can easily correlate that what are the things going to replace with the traditional network and how things will look like with the 5G infrastructure in that case. We know that there are three key components of any telco network, which is a radio access network, which is NR in 5G. We'll look into the architecture of that in detail. Then we'll look into the transport network architecture, which actually connects the radio access network to the backend, which is the core network. So we'll talk about radio access network, transport network, and the core network in detail and see that how it is getting evolved as compared to the legacy technology. I hope you're excited and eager to learn about it. Let's get started.